Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at how to multitask with the iPad and looking at the split screen feature. Let's get started. So first of all, we need two apps to split. We're going to use our Safari app and our Google Slides to demonstrate. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Safari. I'm now going to slide gently at the bottom of the screen until this toolbar opens up. And then I'm going to press and hold on the app that I want to use on the split screen. So tap, press and hold, and then I can bring it over to the side and it will start to split screen. I can tap and hold the dark grey bar in the middle, and then I can make one side bigger, or I can move it the other way and make the other app bigger, depending on my use. And now I can use one panel for my research, and I can create a presentation or docs and store that information there. And then once I'm done with screen share, all I need to do is tap and hold the middle bar and just slide it off to one side, either left or right. You can also have a pop-up come up, and sometimes this happens by accident, but you can actually overlay the app instead of side by side. You can make it float over the top. And now you can have your information on one side or your presentation on one side, and then just have an app floating on top, almost like a minimized window. To remove the floating window once I'm done, I just need to tap and hold from the top of the window and then drag it to the side, and it should disappear. Split screening is great when you have two or more projects on the go at the same time, but note, not all apps will support split screen. That's it from us. Thank you very much and have a good day.